Welcome to Cannes. I'm at the railway station in the very center of the city. Tourists are moving toward the sea, so I'll go with them. This is the building where the famous Cannes festival is held, but the entrance is fenced off. I evo nas na mjestu gdje se održava čuveni Canneski festival. Right next to it is the film museum, where among the exhibits you can also see handprints of famous artists from the world of film, such as Akira Kurosawa, Richard Gere, Melanie Griffith, and many others. In front of the museum is the starting station of the tourist train, which you can use to tour the city. Along the coast, the road takes me to the old part of the town, Les Sequettes. This is the part where natives, fishermen and their families live. Cannes was a small fishing village until the 19th century, until the rich started building their summer cottages. At the top there is a clock tower and these beautiful letters, recognizable sign of the city. And the view from here is fantastic. Cannes, with its 70,000 inhabitants, attracts tourists from all over the world who come to see the famous film festival and then charms them with its old streets, elegant restaurants and pleasant and relaxed atmosphere. The buildings in this part of the city are 400 years old. The top of the fortress can be reached by tourist train or special bus, a small and a charming pink bus which is electrically powered. At the top there is a cathedral which you can visit. And all around there are restaurants and cafes. Most of the streets are closed to traffic and are intended exclusively for enjoying and relaxing with the specialities of French cuisine and relaxed conversation. Tourists can buy souvenirs in many shops, and for those who want to eat sweets, there are various types of sweets and donuts. The walk usually ends at the famous La Crozette beach, which is about 2 kilometers long. The beach is known for its sand, which is extremely soft and pleasant. There is a promenade along the coast with many luxury hotels and shops. I suddenly came across one of the most beautiful crossroads I have ever seen. Leave the promenade, go back to the beach. And I'm on the beach again, this time in the part where there are cafes and umbrellas. I've done a lot of filming for today. It's time for me to cool down a bit. In next video I will visit the famous Nice.